Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Mars Flexa Fit 5mm gloves. So these are a nice pair of 5mm gloves. They've got a very clever sort of cuff system around here, and the fingertips themselves are a little bit different than a traditional glove. But 5mm is that kind of Goldilocks. It's nice because it's going to keep your hands warm, but it's not too thick, so it's not a 7mm. So you're going to lose dexterity. So you still have kind of the best of both worlds. So taking a closer look. 5mm of neoprene sort of all over, so that's going to keep you nice and warm. But then at the fingertips, where the stitches, depending on the gloves, they're all slightly different, but Morris have made it so that it goes all the way up and over to kind of like the top of your fingers, which just gives you a very different sort of tactile feel, which means that stitch is less likely to wear away. This is really what sort of wears when you're sort of diving, because that's the bit that's always touching something. But because it goes all the way up, it continues that grip as well. So a little bit of grip all over, not too much, so it's restricting, but just enough so that you get some sort of tactile feel. And whilst they're on, the stitching isn't scratchy. I know some gloves can have a kind of scratchy, what you call it, sort of seam running through the gloves, but these ones are actually quite comfortable to wear. We have the water stop section. So as you can see, it gets really narrow just around the wrist, and that again, it just acts as a bit of a water dam, so it slows the water from getting in. What it also helps is that this main section around the sort of this section of the glove, this on the outside is all glide skin. So if you layer over your wetsuit over the top of it, that's going to create an effective seal that really stops the water from going up your sleeve and then into your glove, so it really slows everything down. Put them on and off. Putting them on is quite easy. Getting them off is a little bit snug because you've got to get around that water seal, but overall it's a nice pair of gloves. So these are the Mars Flexa Fit 5mm gloves. Thanks for watching. Safe diving. We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.